everyone, my name's Meredith with Lifehacker.com, and today we're talking about all the ways you might be making your house look cheap and tacky. It's great to make sure that your home feels like you, but at the same time, there are some decorating choices that can make your place look at best basic and at worst creepy. At number one, we have boring art. So whether it's faux rustic cottage scenes or just inoffensive abstracts, hanging generic, mass-produced art on your walls makes your place look like a motel room. There is one thing worse than generic wall art, and that is nothing. Blank walls say, "I'll get to it someday," and that's bad for your self-esteem. At number three, we have Unframed Posters. Unframed Posters screams, "I'm a teenager, and I'm about to make Pulp Fiction my entire personality." At number four, we have Grubby baseboard and carpets. Even if your place is clutter-free and generally clean, grubby baseboards, door frames, or carpets makes your whole house look way worse than it could. Brightening up corners may be the easiest, most inexpensive home improvement possible. At number five, we have a lack of books. In every house, there should be a non-zero chance of a decoy book that when you pull the lever, it opens up a secret layer. Number six, clutter. It's simple. No matter how careful and tasteful your design choices, a cluttered house could make you look like you belong on Hoarders. Number seven, visible cords. The profusion of cords from the growing number of tech devices in our homes creates an eyesore. Okay, number eight, display of weapons. Hey, katanas are cool, man, but I'm a guest in your home, and I'm scared. Number nine, overly themed rooms. Unless you're decorating a child's bedroom, you don't want your house to look too themed. Think in terms of a design instead of a theme. At number 10, we have no concept of scale. Generally, you don't want things that are too big for the room that they're in, like sofas, TVs, or your personality. Number 11, following trends too closely. Do shop local artists, or at least pore over art websites for something that has some real character and really reflects your tastes. For number 12, we have my favorite, decorating with words. Live, laugh, love, stomp, holler, eat, burp, pray, live, laugh, sisterhood. That's my back tattoo. Well, that's a wrap on me judging your home, your taste, and who you are. Stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips, tricks, and cheat codes for living.